Hi everyone, Missybeelondon. I'm back again. Here is my flat twist pattern that I had in my hair for 2 days. You'll see in my other videos how I created this flat twist pattern. I'm breaking my videos up now because sometimes when they're too long, do retention. So breaking it up and it's a bit more better, I think. So like I said, this has been in for 2 years. 2 years, you know. 2 days, and you're gonna see me unravel these flat twists. Yeah, I changed up my flat twist pattern. As you can see at the back, I made them going across, not going down, to see how it will come out at the end, to see the results. And will I be doing this in the future? Yes, I will, because it's kind of easier, even though I found it a little bit hard to flat twist going across. With practice I'll get better. Anyway, it's the back, and the back is the thickest bit of my hair as well, so I did it, thank goodness for that. So yeah, the video's been sped up a little bit as well, so it makes it look like I'm taking these out quickly, and the technique is a little rough, but it's not rough. It's just because when you speed up a video, it looks faster than it really is. And if it was normal speed, this video would have been like under half an hour. That's why I speed up a little bit, but you can still see what I'm doing. Anyway, I've taken out the back flat twists, and now I'm just like looking at the curls. And now I am going to do the front bits. I'm liking how the curl pattern came out. Like I was saying in other videos, no flakage at all. I'm guessing because, and I keep on saying this, I put the products on my hair when it's damp, so it's not dry, it's damp. So I'm guessing that's why it absorbs into the follicles more and helps to create a better curl pattern as well. So yeah, I'm still taking them out bit by bit by bit. Oh yeah, I think I was trying to explain something in another video about the other version of a twist out, and it's called a braid out. I don't do braid outs often, and I'm gonna try and do a braid out video before the year is done, shall I say, but let's hope I'm not too busy. But yeah, still taking my time and unraveling the flat twist. What do you think of the curl pattern? You know what, I should have inserted a video or a picture of my natural hair, but you know what, there's many videos on my YouTube channel, and I think there's a few on my IGTV that you'll see my natural hair and how it is. So yeah, oh yeah, I thought I finished, but I haven't. Still got the other side to do. How's your natural hair journey going along? The weather has changed. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do next. I want to get a protective style in my hair, like what is it, Marley twists and all that thing, but I think I might get it done in December, because I've still got 2 products to use in my hair that I really want to use in my hair before I move on to a protective style that I will keep in my head for like a month or so. So let's just see how it works out, so to say. I'm noticing hair growth as well. Remember, I trimmed my hair a couple of months ago. I've been taking this liquid hair food supplement by Lydia's supplement. You know what, I'll put the details in the description box or in the comments box, so I can't remember it right now, and it's in the kitchen. So but yeah, and my hair is thicker as well. You know what, I'm noticing from the beginning of the year to now, I'm guessing what I'm doing to my hair is good, because I'm seeing the changes. I'm seeing it's better, I'm seeing it's healthier, it's thicker. I'm getting better at doing my twist outs and everything as well. When you see videos that I've got on my YouTube channel of me doing my hair tutorials, like back in the days, like earlier on this year / last year, and I always like to have my hair stretched out naturally, and I'm realizing now shrinkage is good. Shrinkage is for real. When your hair is damp, it's easier to maintain or look after or comb through. When your hair is dry, you get more breakage. and because my hair, well, back in the days was dry most of the time, and it's only now I've been implementing getting a water spray bottle and making sure my hair is damp before I comb my hair, using the hair moisturizer, using oils in my hair as well, and I'm getting less breakages. Thank goodness for that. I just need to get the length, but you know what, length will come in time. I know my hair grows. I trimmed it a couple of months ago. I know it grows from the roots, so yeah, roll on next year. So I've taken all the flat, now I'm going back to the video now. I'm taking all the flat twist out, and I'm using the Afro pick to pick out the hair, so you can't see the rough parting lines from each section of the flat twist. This is my technique. This is what I do. What do you think? What is your technique of picking your hair to make it look more fuller for the twist out, shall I say? But yeah, this is what I do. Look. I'm embracing my short hair more, because I think before it's like, oh, try and do styles to make your hair look long. But now, you know what, I'm embracing the short hair now, because, you know, I'm thankful I got hair on my head, first of all. Thankful my hair is healthy. Thankful, yeah, that my hair is good. Even though I said I want length in my hair, but that will be achievable. I can't say the word good right now. Achievable eventually. I really got to talk slow sometimes to get words out, because when I talk normally the words are just not coming out. And it's funny, when you see me face to face I talk fast, but when I do voiceovers and videos I talk a bit slower. I don't know why. Who knows? This is my social media voice. Looking in the mirror, checking out what I've done. Yes, it's good to have many mirrors to see the back of your head as well, because you can't just live with one mirror, because one mirror is just not enough. I just made that up, you know, for real. I put the product in the corner because I forgot to show you it in this bit of the video, so to say. And as you can see, oh yeah, I didn't say, did I? It was a Revlon Realistic Twisting Pudding. That's what I use to achieve these curl out, this twist out in my hair. What do you think of my twist out? Let me know. Drop me some tips in the comments. Yeah, let me know. Yeah, I'm just fluffing my hair with my hands. But yeah, in the next video you see how I styled the twist out. And thank you for watching. Bye.